Understand the real impact of AI-driven quality control, let's delve into a real-life example of Company X. Company X is a renowned manufacturer in the automobile industry, but like many of its peers, it faced significant challenges in quality control. Manual inspections were prone to human error, and the sheer volume of production made thorough checks a daunting task. This not only affected the quality of their products, but also led to substantial waste and an inconsistent customer experience. Enter AI-driven quality control. Company X decided to bring a revolution in its quality control process by integrating artificial intelligence. The change was nothing short of transformative. AI-driven systems were deployed to inspect products with a level of detail and consistency that was previously unattainable. These systems were capable of identifying defects that were almost invisible to the human eye, ensuring a level of product quality that was unprecedented in Company X's history. The results? A significant reduction in waste. Prior to the implementation, Company X was discarding around 10% of its products due to quality issues. With AI, this figure fell to less than 1%, but the benefits didn't stop there. The improved product quality led to increased customer satisfaction. The number of product returns fell by a whopping 70%, and customer reviews saw a substantial increase in positive ratings. Company X's journey shows how AI-driven quality control can transform a company's product quality and customer experience. The story of Company X is not an isolated instance. All around us, the power of AI-driven quality control is being harnessed to ensure flawless products. It's revolutionizing the way industries operate, making inspections more intelligent, more precise, and more reliable. It's not just about maintaining standards, but elevating them. So consider the potential of this game-changing technology in your own field. AI-driven quality control is not the future, it is the present, and it is redefining the standards of product quality.